Hello, my friends. It's Esper here, and Rafinha.
Hey, guys.
Today is the 21st of July, 2016. Chapada Diamantina, Bahia, Brazil, and I'm at Cachoeira do Licuri, the waterfall of Licuri. It goes down there. But I think it's too loud to record down there. So, this is a beautiful place full of so much energy and magic and these very, very old rocks. It's like layers of rocks. I don't know if you can see these mountains in the background, but they're like layers of ancient rocks. And it's so good to connect with nature. We spend so much time in the city, in our cars, in our computers, plugged into technology, plugged into the fast world, living these lives so rapidly in many artificial environments. But out here, the air is very clean. You're here with the elements, the water, the rocks, the plants, the air, the sun, the animals. There's this dog we've been calling Shadow. He's been our company. I looked for some kind of staff or some kind of weapon, but I couldn't find anything. But then Shadow came, so he's like the protector. This water is so cold. She stayed in it for a long time. I only got in for just a little bit. But I did it.
Yes.
I went all the way, like a quick under. Ooh, so cold. But very like invigorating, very powerful. You come here to a place like this and you connect with your own nature. It reminds you of who you really are, where you came from. Yeah. Before we made this artificial world, we existed more in union with the natural world. And that will never go away. That's always going to be deep inside of us. So coming here is like it's like a medicine. You know, you feel this energy that makes you want to be alive, to create, to express, to live, to all sorts of things. It's like a rejuvenation. It's like a recharging. And it's very relaxing too. It's like energetic but relaxing all at the same time. I really want to go back down there. I climbed to the side of the waterfall, so like right to the precipice, and you can see the whole thing going down. It's incredible. It's a spiritual experience. It really is. And before coming here, Rafinha showed me pictures and told me about it, and I watched videos, and it's incredible, but it's not the same as being here. So I hope you can go on some little adventure sometime soon, or at least find some little place. Yeah, maybe in your own backyard or in your own city. Find some little tiny spot where you can find a tranquility and a little tiny piece of nature, and just go and just be quiet for a few minutes and just breathe and feel yourself one part of it all. Turn off the thoughts, just be, let it come into you, let go. Vamos falar pouco em português? Não sei se alguém está assistindo que fala português. Oi, espero que você esteja bem. O Brasil tá lindo. O Brasil tem muitos lados. O Brasil tem muitos lados, muitos aspectos, e alguns são muito lindos. E uma grande mistura aqui. Sim? De um mundo antigo, um mundo moderno. Dos sangues,
Sim.
sangue indígena, sangue europeu, sangue africano.
Ancestralidade.
Sim, muita coisa, muita paixão mesclando. Cachoeira do Licuri! Licuri!
Wow, amazing.
Oh, and Rafinha sang some songs as well. Beautiful. It was like a mixture of Yoruba and Portuguese.
Portuguese, yes.
Yeah, it was awesome. It was a perfect song for being here.
Thank you.
All right. Well, to the spirits of the stones in the water and to the waterfall, thank you for receiving us. I give you much honor. So good to take in your power, to commune. Any final words for the video?
Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this one, and may your adventures can be many, my friends.
Beautiful. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, bye.